Hello YouTube, this is my first video. This is Val 3G here just to show you guys how to upgrade to 4.2 on your Apple TV. If you guys been having 1602 errors, this will correct the problem, and this way you could restore it safely through iTunes. Alright, the first step you have to do is put your Apple TV into DFU mode, and the way you do that, and the simplest way that I found, is to hold the down button and the menu button at the same time. You hold it down, point it to the Apple TV, wait till the light starts flickering quickly, then you let go, you'll hear, and then you press the menu button and the play button at the same time until the lights start flashing again. Then you let it go, and then you wait, you'll hear the drivers, and then you'll see your Apple TV, which is in restore mode. Now what you're going to do is you're going to unplug the back. Just bear with me. There we go. Unplug it, and then you're going to do the shift restore, and you're going to pick your Apple TV 4.2 file, and you're going to hit restore, and we're going to wait. Apple TV is working there. This might take around 2 to 3 minutes. So just sit back and relax. I will have another video on how to jailbreak your Apple TV on 4.2 firmware, and this will be my next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Alright, restoring. Should be done momentarily now. Still flashing. And there you go. Your Apple TV has been restored to factory settings. And that's pretty much it. Alright, look forward to my next video on how to jailbreak successfully the Apple TV 2 on firmware 4.2. Alright, please subscribe.